In primetime news this evening, investigation launched into the alleged rape of an autistic teen at a public hospital. Government bureaucracy holding up critical supplies for local fish farmers. And 2 years too late, man at risk of losing arm after waiting 2 years for surgery.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Thanks, Janella. Well, no more needing to go in branch to sign up for pensions, as one company is coming with a fully online system for onboarding. I'll give the details a little later on.
Okay, and Jordan Fort is also here with a preview of what's to come in sports. Jordan?
Well, Herman, can you guess which Jamaican won the Laureus Sportswoman of the Year award? I'll give you a hint. She's a world champion over 100 meters. I'll tell you more in a Primetime Sports Monday.
And as you said that, I know that Romain was shouting the answer, but he's not here to talk sports. He's here to give us a preview of what's to come in the weather report and forecast tonight. Romain?
Thank you, General. Yes, this week we are expecting an increase in shower activity across the island. We have begun to see some of that activity take place, especially across the east. But I'll tell you more in the weather report and forecast later on.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening. What do you suggest can be done to better protect the vulnerable at public health facilities?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
All right, please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.